Fired up.
Fired up.
Yeah! Dodge Demon! Let's get it!
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome everybody. Thanks for watching, man. As usual, when I get some free time, I like to take some questions. And one of the questions I received that caught my eye. They want to know basically where in the world or what in the world happened to the Dodge Dart. Y'all remember this little sedan Dodge used to make? It was called a Dodge Dart. Now that car was born in like 2012. Chrysler had like, I think that was the last car on a small car lineup along with the Chrysler 200. But the Dodge Dart had a little short-lived life. I don't know if sales contributed to it or what, but like I said, it was born in 2012, June of 2012. That's when the first compact sedan came out. So eventually it died. Now this car been gone. We're in 2018 now. I think this car, they stopped making this car in 2017. So the last brand new Dart I think was made October, November of 2016. So that car been gone for a while. You just probably haven't noticed or haven't visited a dealer in a while. All right. So it also says that the Dodge Dart was supposed to signal a fresh start for Fiat Chrysler. The newly created automaker was supposed to signal a fresh start for Fiat Chrysler. So that was, I think that's when Fiat took over, and the Dart was supposed to get out there and start the ball rolling. But like I said, it had a short lifespan to it now. It also says here, Chrysler promised a new kind of small car that combined American design, comfort, and technology with Italian flair. The automaker touted it as using a modified Alfa Romeo architect developed to underpin a family of vehicles that would take Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep to new heights. Well, it never lived up to that expectation. I mean, from the little measly engine they put in that Dart and the transmission that was in it, it never really caught on. Now I think it was its targeted audience was teenagers maybe, because it's a small, it's a small car, so I don't know too many adult, especially male adults wanted to purchase one of those. But Dodge no longer have the Dodge Dart, and I think the Chrysler 200 wasn't too far behind. So right now, I don't know. I'm not sure if we have any if Dodge have any small cars. I'm gonna go on the new car lot tomorrow when I go to work and find all of this information out and come back and report this to you. All right, that's all I have, man. I want to keep this video short. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.